I am Professor Dr. Abdul Qayyum Chaudhary, Director, Institute of Education and Research, University of the Punjab, Lahore. I really feel honored to be a part of this teacher education conference, and we have discussed a lot about the quality of teacher education. Since I belong to the institute, which is the largest, oldest, and highest seat of learning, and particularly in teacher education, and recently Institute of Education and Research has been declared number 1 in Pakistan and 401 in world subject ranking. So being a pioneer institute and being a top-notch institute of teacher education, I believe today we have discussed various innovative and creative ideas about the quality of education, inclusiveness, innovation, creativity, and 21st century life skills. But I want to show my concern over here when we talk about inclusivity. So recent documents of higher education HEC about the curriculum, new curriculum of teacher education, which is not inclusive, rather which is exclusive. They are excluding the major established departments and program of Institute of Education and Research and affiliated colleges and other colleges of teacher education which are already established from the years, from the decades. For example, they have excluded elementary education, and the largest population is elementary education teachers. There are more than 6 lakh elementary teachers in country. And in the new education curriculum roadmap, there is no elementary education, there is no secondary education, there is no science education. I wonder that the Vice Chancellor of this university, my friend Dr. Nasser, he is a product of IER from science education, but he is also the chairman of NACTI. But that the science education is being excluded. In the same way, English language teaching is an important department which is excluded, and in the same way technology education, business education is excluded. So my request is, my purpose to come over here, that when we talk about the inclusion, this is not a portfolio of higher education curriculum wing to exclude anything, rather to improve the existing quality and to incorporate the innovations, creativity, digitization, and inclusiveness to improve the quality of education. Thank you very much.